DSE Oral 疑難雜症系列遇上沉默的金豬，咁點樣發現同場有沉默是金嘅 I 人豬隊友，簡稱 I 豬？當你哋發言咗幾輪之後，但係佢仲未開金口，就係時候讓你出手。首先，你絕對唔可以放棄佢，你需要做嘅就係鼓勵佢發言。好簡單嘅步驟，首先記住同佢保持眼神接觸。第二，希望佢發言，所以手勢示意向住佢。第三，當然報以微笑同埋加以鼓勵啦。好啦，點樣鼓勵法呢？有兩句金句大家可以試。我哋主要咧係以一啲簡單嘅問句為主，希望對方可以發言。第一句 What do you think about this, Candidate A？ 又或者 Would you like to add anything here, Candidate B？ 另一種嘅豬隊友，你同佢講完一輪之後，佢完全唔俾反應你，都唔知道究竟佢係聾咗定係啞咗。遇上龍豬點算好？唔使驚，我哋用翻經典嘅3C 大法。第一個 C clarify， 目的係確認我哋嘅隊友已經清楚明白理解討論內容，而且仲可以檢查有冇其他隊友想貢獻意見。方法可以好簡單，就好似呢個例子 We've talked about the issue already. Does everyone agree? Would anyone like to add something? 第二個 C 就係 connect。簡單嚟講，你可以喺呢個時候拋出啲點子，目的就係希望透過啲點子或者誘導對方嘅問句，令對方更加容易發言。我哋舉個例子 Maybe you are thinking about how friends pressure each other, or how these challenges look fun at first. 而龍珠不是一日練成的，對方依然係零反應嘅話，我哋不妨開啟香港老師上堂模式，自問自答，自問又再自答。俾個例子大家，你可以咁樣講 What makes these challenges spread so quickly? Perhaps I could start by suggesting one reason. Would anyone of you like to add different reasons you've noticed?要應付唔講嘢嘅豬隊友，簡單嚟講有3種方法。第一種，非語言暗示，運用手勢示意對方發言。第二款，開放式邀請，運用問句邀請對方發表意見。第三款叫做引導式提問，除咗係我哋問對方問題之外，問題不妨加插 keywords， 令到我哋唔講嘢嘅豬隊友都知道究竟傾談嘅時候應該循住乜嘢方向去進行。當然，我哋要向老師致敬，豬隊友有發言機會唔等於真係發言，所以不妨運用自問自答嘅方式。DSE 嘅奇難雜症當然有好多，但係唔需要擔心，我哋一一為大家破解。不如 follow 我哋睇多啲其他 DSE Paper 4嘅 tips 啦，我哋下次再見。